Affiliate marketing for beginners can be a rewarding business model to pursue. It is a fascinating and potentially lucrative field where individuals partner with businesses to promote products and earn a commission based on sales. If you're thinking about jumping into affiliate marketing, there are some essential points to consider and strategies that can enhance your chances of success. This guide aims to provide you with a comprehensive overview tailored to be easily understandable for younger audiences or anyone starting out. Starting in affiliate marketing might seem straightforward, but it's important to be aware of the initial expenses involved. Many beginners overlook these costs, which can include fees for setting up a website, subscribing to marketing tools, or even purchasing products to review. Conducting thorough research on these costs is crucial. Knowing what you need to invest and planning your budget wisely can prevent financial losses and help ensure that every dollar you spend could potentially come back to you in profits. In the world of affiliate marketing, a lot of strategies and information circulate and recirculate, becoming common knowledge. The challenge here is to present this old but gold information in new, engaging ways. By creatively spinning familiar content, you might capture the attention of people who had previously ignored such information. This renewed interest can lead to sales, benefiting your affiliate marketing efforts. Affiliate marketing for beginners includes choosing the correct niche. When it comes to writing articles and promoting products, your enthusiasm for the subject matter can significantly impact your success. Keeping a list of topics and niches that genuinely interest you is a smart strategy. Your passion for a product can be infectious, making your promotional content more engaging and convincing. This sincerity not only helps build trust with your audience, but also makes the whole process more enjoyable and fulfilling for you. To effectively promote any product, a deep understanding of its features and benefits is essential. You can't convincingly write about or sell something unless you are well acquainted with it. Before you decide to promote a product, spend time getting to know it thoroughly. This ensures that when potential customers read your content, they are receiving accurate, detailed information that can guide their purchase decisions. Holding annual focus groups is a fantastic way to connect with your audience and get direct feedback. These interactions can provide insights into how your customers feel about the products you promote and your overall marketing approach. Such feedback is invaluable as it can reveal what you're doing right and what could be improved.